Welcome to DelphStack. In this tutorial, we will guide you through creating and running batch files in Windows. Whether you are a beginner or looking to automate tasks, this step-by-step guide is for you. First, let's create a batch file with the following content. Now save the file as .extension, something like hello.bat. Well, our batch file is ready. Let's run it. Open the command prompt and navigate to the folder where you saved the file. And now run the file using the following command. And that's it. Your batch file will execute and display the message. Today we have learned how to create and run batch files. For more tutorials, like and subscribe to the DelphStack